Hi guys, so I would like to invite you for our open house November 24th from 1 p.m. till 4 p.m. here in Blue Yorkville area, and we will talk about double chin removal and eye lifting, as well as we show you how the machine works perfectly to get rid of cellulite even at the age of 80 works. So I invite you to see everything, to participate in this event. I would like to emphasize your attention that new technology and new injections came to Canada because people complain they don't want to look as others, they don't want probably to be injected as much as before. So new injections called MedVSPA came from Europe, and I will deliver the knowledge to you why Europeans don't look as the same comparing with other population. So I will be happy to show you MedVSPA and to explain everything about that, and you will have the opportunity to ask me as many questions as you would like.
That's amazing. And we get 20% if we bring a friend, is that it?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's amazing, guys. Bring a friend, get 20% on all these packages, and RSVP in the email in the link below, or in the phone number. You can call us, and RSVP space is limited. We so look forward to seeing you, and see you Saturday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.